Are you tired of wasting hours on English apps, watching endless videos, but still not speaking fluently? In 2025, there's a better way. A clear, step-by-step strategy that will make learning English faster, smarter, and even enjoyable. If you're ready to finally see real progress, keep watching. Hey everyone, I'm Sophia from One Cup of English. Today, I want to share with you my complete roadmap for learning English in 2025, a plan that combines modern technology, brain science, and proven learning habits. If you want more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps me create better content for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Set crystal clear, motivating goals. Before you start, ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Is it for a job promotion, for traveling the world, to pass an important exam? When your goal is clear and personal, you'll find motivation easier and won't give up when it gets tough. Write your goal down. Break it into smaller milestones, like learn 100 new words this month, or have 5 conversations in English weekly. Tracking progress on clear goals gives your brain a dopamine boost, which keeps you going. Step 2. Use AI as your personal English coach. Forget random Googling or passive watching videos. Use AI tools like ChatGPT with memory to create personalized lessons based on your needs. Ask AI to quiz you, correct your grammar, and even simulate conversations. There are apps like Lingua TOEFL for test prep or MindGrasp for turning videos and articles into quizzes. This makes learning interactive and tailored, not generic. Step 3. Microlearning. 10 minutes a day beats 2 hours once a week. Our brains learn best when information is repeated regularly in small doses. Try breaking your study sessions into bite-sized chunks, 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. It's scientifically proven that learning in micro-sessions helps move knowledge from short-term to long-term memory. Plus, it fits into busy schedules easily, so you're more consistent. Step 4. Practice speaking with real people, not just screens. Language is social. Find online communities on Discord, Telegram, or language exchange apps where you can practice live conversations. Speaking regularly with others builds confidence and helps you remember phrases better than solo study. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn faster. Also, hearing different accents and styles expands your understanding. Step 5. Learn by creating and building. Don't just passively consume, create. Make short videos explaining what you learned. Write posts, keep a journal, or start a blog in English. Even simple projects like building a website, using tools like Replit, or designing with Stitch help you use English actively. Building something real boosts memory and skills way faster than watching tutorials alone. Step 6. Teach others what you learn. Explaining concepts to someone else forces your brain to organize and deepen knowledge. You can teach a friend, post explainer videos, or even ask AI to quiz your understanding. Teaching makes your skills stick and opens new questions you hadn't thought of. Step 7. Track your progress and celebrate your wins. Keep a learning journal or digital tracker, Notion, Google Docs. Write down new words, grammar points, or conversations you had. Celebrate small victories, like understanding a movie without subtitles, or holding a 5-minute conversation. Seeing your growth visually is a huge motivation booster. Use English in your daily life as much as possible. Label things around your home with English words. Change your phone or social media settings to English. Watch shows, listen to podcasts, read articles on topics you love in English. Immersing yourself helps your brain think in English naturally. So, to recap, set clear, motivating goals, use AI tools as your personal tutor, learn in small, consistent chunks, speak with real people regularly, create and build projects using English, teach what you learn, track your progress, and celebrate every win. Immerse yourself in English daily. Follow these steps, and 2025 can be the year you finally become fluent in English. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more learners like you. Drop a comment below about your English goals or what step you're most excited to try. See you in the next lesson.